Good morning students. As in my previous video I told you this exercise: statement, question, command and exclamation. We are on chapter first, Nico Bominus, page number 14. Look at dictionary word. Put the following words into alphabetical order and write a definition for each. Here, undergrowth, summer, bold, completely, comrade, remind. First, as a alphabetical order, bold, confident and not of afraid. Second, completely. The definition of completely: in every way, comma, fully or totally. Comrade, a person who fights on the same sides as you. Fourth, remind, to help somebody to remember something. Summer, summer is the warmest season of the year. Undergrowth, bushes and plants that grow around under trees. Okay, now look at first exercise, learning about language. Some of the following are not complete sentence. Can you say why they are not complete? The boy is speaking. Here is speaking, so we have to use helping verb is. To my brother and sister sitting on the swing. Look at sentence B. He flies aeroplane. This one is correct. Now come to the sentence C. The runners tired. Here also we have to use helping verb were because tired, and thirsty after their long race over the hills and through the valleys. So we have to insert were. Now come to the sentence D. When we change the letters of a word, or here should be a phrase to make another word or phrase. Full stop. Sentence E. If we don't go to the police station now, it's incomplete. We have to complete this sentence. They will come. Okay, full stop. This one is incomplete, that we have to add some words to complete this sentence. Now come to the sentence F. By watering it, you can help it to grow. This one is correct sentence. Now sentence G. It is of no use to anyone. This one is also correct. Come here. This sentence is correct. Okay. Now you have to write in place of these incorrect sentence to correct form.